to the pinnacle of European basketball. The magnificent effort by the Greens, erasing the hurt of their 13-year absence from championship glory. Galvanized by the guidance of that man, Coach Argin Ataman, Panathinaikos power their way to their 7th title. They are the kings of the continent and the EuroLeague champions.
I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. This is one of the biggest turnarounds in 1 year that we've seen ever.
Panathinaikos are the Turkish Airlines EuroLeague champions. Absolute ecstasy. Tears of joy flowing down the faces of the Panathinaikos players because their star-studded roster has come together, secured by unity, camaraderie, and guided ably by the genius of Argin Ataman from the sidelines.
Ο Παναθηναϊκός στην κορυφή της Ευρώπης. Ο Παναθηναϊκός μετά από 13 χρόνια και πάλι στο θρόνο.